Good morning students, I hope you all are fine. Dear students, in this video we will start exercise 8.5 and the first question of the exercise is find the sum in each of the following. Here A part is 0.007 plus 8.5 plus 30.08. We have to add this. Firstly, I will write 0.007. Now here this decimal is given to you and we know that before decimal you have this ones place. Before decimal we have ones place. After decimal, the first place after decimal tenth, and then we have hundreds, then we have thousands. Okay, now next we have this 8.5, means this 8 is at ones place and this 5 is at 10th place. So firstly write decimal below decimal. Here we have 8 which is at ones place, so I will write 8 below ones. Then we have 5 which is at 10th place, so I will write this 5 below 10th. And here we don't have any digit in 100 and 1000 place, so here I will write 0 0. Then next we have 30.08. Now this 0 is at ones place, 3 at tens place, so here I will write 0 below ones, and here we have 3 also, so I will write 3 before 0, now which is at this tens place. So next we have 0 which is at 10th place, then 8. In this way I will write the number, but in first we don't have any number at tens place, so I will write 0. Similarly I will put 0 over here, I will put 0 over whole. So as per the question you have to write the number below the places. Now here we have 7 plus 0 plus 0. Here we have 7, then 0 0 8, then 0 plus 5 plus 0 which is equals to 5. Then put decimal, 0 plus 8 plus 0 which is 8, 0 plus 0 plus 3, that is 38.587. After adding the number you have answered 38.587. So this is your part A. Now next we have B part. Here B part is 15 plus 0.632 plus 13.8. Firstly I will write this 15. Now in second we have number which is in form of decimal and third is also of decimal, so here I will write 15.000. This can be written as 15.000. Now this 5 before decimal, now this 5 is at ones place, tens place, then this is 10th place, 100 place, now this is at 1000 place. Now next we have 0.632. Before 0 this 0 is at ones place, so I will write 0. Now this 6 is at 10th place, then 3 below 100, then 2 below 1000, and below tens I will write 0. Again I will put decimal. Now here I have 13.8. Now this 3 is at ones place, so I will write 3. This one is at tens place and this is at this 10th place, and below this I will write 0 0. Now add. Now you have 0 plus 2 plus 0, that is 2, 0 plus 3 plus 0, that is 3, 0 plus 6 6, 6 plus 8 14, 4 here and 1 carry. Put decimal below decimal. Now you have 1 plus 5, that is 6, 6 plus 3 which is 9, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 2. So your answer is 29.432. So this is your part B. Now next we have C part. Here C part is 27.076 plus 0.55 plus 0.004. Again, firstly I will write 27.076, and below, before decimal, now this 7 is at ones place, this is tens place, tenth place, hundred place, then this is thousand place. Now here we have 0.55. So this 0 is at ones place, write 0 below ones, this 5 below tenth, and this 5 below this 100, and before then below tens and this you will put 0. Now next is 0.004. So here I will write 0.004, and in this also you will put 0. Now 6 plus 4, 10, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 0, 6. Now 7 plus 0 plus 0, that is 7, 2 plus 0 plus 0, that is 2, that is 27.630. Now next we have D part. Here firstly you will write 25.65. So here we know that this is at ones place, tens, tenth, hundred, then we have thousand. So below thousand I will write 0. Now next we have 9.005. Then we have 3.7, because 3 is at ones place, 7 is at tenth place. Now you have to add. Now in this, below tens write 0. Again, if you don't have any number here, you have to put 0. 0 plus 5 plus 0, that is 5. 5 plus 0 plus 0, that is 5. 6 plus 7, that is 13. Now next we have put decimal over here. Then after adding 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus 3, you have 8, 18, 1 carry, 1 plus 2, 3. So your answer is 38.355. Now next we have this E part. E part is 0.75 plus 10.425 plus 2. Now you will write 0.75. So here you will write like this: ones, tens, tenth, hundred, then thousand. So below thousand I will write this 0. Now next we have 10.425. Then we have this 2, which is very clear, it is at ones place, so I will write 2, and below other places I will put 0. Now you have to add 0 plus 5 plus 0, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, put decimal, 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2, that is 3, 0 plus 1 plus 0, that is 1. Now your answer is 13.175. Now here we have 25.2. So put decimal over here. Now this 5 is at ones place, this 2 is at tens place, now this 2 is at tenth place, so put 0 below 100 and below this. Now next we have 38. Now this 8 is at ones place and this 3 is at tens place, so you will write 8, 3, 8 below ones, 3 below tens, and below tenth this 100, hundreds, put 0. Now add 9 plus 0 plus 0, that is 9. 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 0, 8, put decimal. 5 plus 8, that is 13, 1 carry. Now 1 plus 8 plus 2 plus 3, that is 14. Now 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 0, that is 3. So 343.89 is your required answer. So this is all about question number 1. In this you have to just add the numbers. Now next we have question number 2. That is Rashid spent rupees 35.75 for maths book and rupees 32.60 for science book. So that is, you have to find the total amount spent by Rashid. Now here we have, firstly you will write amount spent for maths book, that is 35 rupees 75 paise. So here I will write rupees 35.75. So amount spent for science book is rupees 32 rupees 60 paise. Now you have to just add. Now here when you add, as we know that 5 plus 0, that is 5, 7 plus 6, that is 13, 1 carry, put decimal below decimal, 1 plus 5, that is 6, 6 plus 2, that is 8, and 3 plus 3 is 6. So your answer is 68.35, that is 68 rupees 35 paise, and in this you have to find the total amount. So this is the reason we just add both the values. So finally you will write, therefore total amount spent is equals to 68 rupees 35 paise. And here you will also write like total amount. So here we have total amount spent 68 rupees 35 paise. So this is all about our question number 2. Now next we have question number 3. Question number 3 is Radhika mother gave her 10 rupees 50 paise and her father gave her 15 rupees 80 paise. Find the total amount given to Radhika. Now here you have to find total, means you just add. So here I will write amount given by mother, is equals to 10 rupees 50 paise. Amount given by father, 15 rupees 80 paise. Now you have to find the total amount. So whenever you have to find the total amount, just add it. So here we have 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 8, 13, 1 carry, put decimal, 1 plus 0 plus 5, that is 6, 1 plus 1, that is 2. So total amount given to Radhika by parent is 26 rupees 30 paise. So I will write, therefore total amount given by the parents, is equals to 26 rupees 30 paise. So this is all about our question number 3. Now next we have question number 4. Question number 4 is Nazreen bought 3 meter 20 centimeter cloth for her shirt and 2 meter 5 centimeter cloth for her trouser. Find the total length of the cloth bought by her. Whenever you have to find the total length, you have to add. Now in this 2 units are given to you. It's up to you. You can express meter as centimeter or vice versa, centimeter as meter. You can convert or express in any way. Here I will write, since 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. In this question I will express this centimeter as meter, then solve it. Therefore 1 centimeter is equals to 1 upon 100 meter. Now here I will write length of the shirt is equals to 3 meter 20 centimeter. As we done in the earlier exercise also, whenever you have to express centimeter as meter, just divide the given number by 100. So I will divide like this, 20 upon 100 meter, because this is in meter, so I will write meter, and whenever you have to express centimeter as meter, just divide the given number by 100. Now I will write this 3 meter as it is in decimal form. As we know, there are 2 zeros in the denominator, so I will write numerator first, then put decimal before 2 digits, 1 2, I put decimal, and when I add this 3 can be written as 3.00, and 0.20 can be written as 0. Like this, and when you add, you have 0, 2.3, that is 3.20. So 3.20 meter is the length of the shirt. Now next we have length of the trouser. Length of the trouser is 2 meter 5 centimeter. Now this 2 meter as it is, and 5 centimeter can be written as 5 upon 100 meter. Now this 2 meter, when you express this 5 upon 100 as decimal, I will write 0.05 meter, and whenever you add, you will add like this. 2 can be written as 2.00, so when you add 0.05, I just add it. Now 0 plus 5 5, 0 plus 0 0, decimal 2 plus 2, this 2. So after adding, you will get 2.05 meter. Now you have to find the total length of cloth. To find the total length of the cloth, to find the total length, just add both the length. So after adding, you will get this meter as it is. 0 plus 5, that is 5, 2 plus 0, that is 2, 5.3 plus 2, that is 5. So here total length of the cloth is, therefore total length of the cloth is 5.25 meters. So this is all about our question number 4. Firstly, you have to express centimeter as meter. You can also express meter as centimeter. Then after that, to find the total length, I just add both the lengths. So this is all about our question number 4. So this is all about our exercise 8.4. Take care everybody.